taking pictures of me?
Making a little video of it.
You do? Yeah.
And what are you making? Peach crisp?
Peach crisp, yes, that's what I'm doing. I hope it come out fine. Right. Little puppy. Little puppy. Little puppy. This is like Grandma's, huh? Okay.
Well, that's a great dessert. Everyone loves that.
Yeah, and then whipped cream on.
Of course. We'll make homemade fresh whipped cream.
Yeah. This is going to be good, right? See, this is it's crisp. You just got to have it all a little.
And then you have those fresh strawberries.
Yeah, they go in with the salad. And blueberries. And what else did I get? What else did I get? How did it say? It's not for you, my little Popsy. Okay, I think this is pretty good. Crisp. Peach crisp. This is easy stuff, you know.